Hi, it's Todd here from Todd's Workshop. I'm Todd Cutler, and I have just finished making this. So it is an early 13th century dagger, or early to mid 13th century dagger, based loosely on pieces in the Morgan Bible or the Maciejowski Bible. Now, Morgan Bible is basically, it's an illustrated Bible from around about 1240, currently held in the Morgan Library in New York. It was gifted originally during part of its process by Bishop Maciejowski, sorry for mangling it, and that's how the two names have come about. They refer to the same document. Now, what's really interesting about that document is it is full of weird stuff. So there are all sorts of things which are often called the Maciejowski choppers. So they're sort of weird spatula end, I don't know what you call them, falchions really. Lots of pole arms, bits of armour, daggers, all sorts of stuff that you don't really see in the archaeological record. But they're there, they're illustrated. And this is one of those. So, of course, it's not based on a museum example because, as far as I know, there aren't any that look exactly like this. But you look through the artwork and you see pieces like this. So this sort of three-lobed pommel, which I've just given a little bit of form to. From the Bible work, it could be just cut out of a flat sheet for all you know. They almost certainly weren't. So I've given that a little bit of form. We've got a very simple crossguard here, but it's just octagonal, just slightly swelling towards the end, and a nice double-sided blade with, of course, copper inlaid maker's mark on the other side. It's just it's a lovely piece, leather core-bound grip, and it's just about to disappear off to Europe, and I will never see it again. But if you're interested in things like this, you can always commission me to make another. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Go check out the main channel as well. Go check out Patreon, and of course, go check out our websites, because if you like this kind of stuff, you are absolutely going to love what we make and sell there. Anyway, see you again.